Okay, so I believe money is basically the whore of the earth. All right, the 666. All right, 1, 5, 10, 20, 50, and 100. Okay, and Benjamin is on the 100 because he's the one that, boom, the money is where the energy is at, the power. Okay, so you add that up, that's 186. Or 186, you know, divided by 6, 31. Add those, you get 4, or if you multiply them, you get 3. You divide that times 2, you get 93, which is 93 million miles away from the sun. 186 times 6 is 1116. Or you add those up and it's a 9, or 6 upside down, which coincidentally is the Milky Way. Okay, the Georgia Guidestones, 18.6. They use a declination cycle. It's a lunar declination cycle, okay? 18 plus 6 is 24, which is 4 times 2, which is square, which is this, pretty much. Okay, you got 18 times 6, 108. 108 Earths fit across the diameter of the sun. The sun will, and the Earth, there's 180 or 108 that can go in between there, and then there's 108 Earths in between the moon and the Earth. So the square again, 4 times 2. You have 4 lobes of the human brain times 2, your cerebral hemispheres. There's 8. Square. Basically, it's the Higgs field. Okay, that's the singularity. That's where consciousness is. All right. So you do the math again. You get 4-chambered heart. So you have 8 lobes and a 4-chambered heart. That's 12, which is cube 2 times. 12 dimensions. The human dimensional being. Then you do the 8 times 12. You get 96. That's the crown chakra petals. That's your crown chakra. Cerebral cortex, basically the human. And like I was explaining about these, with I and I am, the first person, and the fact that sound and light are symbiotic. You ignite sound bubbles underwater. When they reach the air, they turn to light. So the sound and light are symbiotic. This coincides with quantum physics and quantum chromodynamics. Quantum thermomechanics is what I like to call it. But it's the fluid, liquid mechanics of the universe. Because air, believe it or not, is a type of waters. Because it's a gas. It's a fluid mechanic. You know, it's fluid mechanics. It's not like matter. It's fluid. That's why a Bose-Einstein condensate is essentially a black hole. A cold, dense, nuclear cloud of freezing Bose-Einstein condensate. It's a quantum mechanical superfluid. Sight with light, area, square, air. The 3, 6, 9 dimensions here, and then the total 12.